Dear students, welcome to you all. Good morning. During the corona pandemic, according to the rules and regulations of health, we all should remain at our own house and try to be safe from corona. And on our English classes, you are all welcome. In the last class, I told you on the syllabus and curriculum. Now today, in my second class, I am going with you to go through the textbook, and before the year final examination, we will have to cross the units from 1 to 8, and I hope to go with you through the unit number 4, 5 and 6. In this way, now I am going to discuss unit 4, lesson 1, how your brain negotiates traffic. The title of the lesson, how your brain negotiates, means compromises, traffic means the vehicles. Then what do you do when you are on the roads to compromise with the traffic for your safe movement? Now here are the discussions and some questions for you. What do you mean by traffic? You look at page 44. As page 44, the first question, what do you mean by traffic? Traffic means the vehicles plying on the roads and highways. Then, who controls the traffic? Who controls the traffic? The traffic police controls the traffic according to traffic rule. When one violates the rule, the traffic police catches him and brings him under rules and regulations, under law, and files a case against him for violating the rule. What are the challenges of traffic control? Then, while we are moving or going or passing or crossing a road, what challenges we are to face? We often face the challenges on the roads. For our own safety, for our life safety, we sometimes are to negotiate with other traffics or other things for our own safety. And in these cases, what are the challenges? The challenges are the drivers of other vehicles may very often be reckless. The vehicle may cross its own lane and may be appeared just in front of me, violating the rules and regulations. These are the challenges of traffic control. And a traffic police often faces the violators who break the law, and he is to file case against them. Then number 2, do you ride a bicycle? If yes, how do you negotiate the traffic? I think some of you can ride a bicycle. When you ride your cycle on a road, you are to face some problems. The problems created by other vehicles or other pedestrians or something else. Then, speak in a group. If you don't know how to ride a bicycle, ask a friend who does. Then, on the roads, how you should ride your bicycle, you should have to follow your restricted or certain lane, that means indicating the left side of a road, and you will have to keep your patience to ride your vehicle. You will have to follow the complexities, follow the disturbances, the obstacles, and something else. Now, number 3, read the passage. Read the passage below and complete the activities mentioned at the end of the passage. Then you are asked to read the passage thoroughly. As it's the first class with you, I ask you to read the text in such a way as I am trying to go through. You will have to divide a sentence in phrases and then try to make a meaning in Bengali. If you read a complete sentence, a long narrative sentence, and tell the Bengali meaning in a breath, then the others who are listening to you may not understand you, the word meanings, and so on. So you are asked to read out the lines, dividing into phrases and telling the Bengali meanings. Follow me. When you are in the driving seat, while you are driving your car, your vehicle. Again, when you are, যখন তুমি হও means যখন তুমি থাকো in the driving seat, চালকের আসনে of a car, একটা গাড়ির, you have the steering, তোমার থাকে স্টিয়ারিংটা. Steering means the directing panel, directing system of a car. And the horn এবং ভেপুটা in your hands, তোমার হাতে. Probably you have marked that I am dividing the sentence into phrases and trying to tell the Bengali meaning of these phrases separately, and it will help you to enrich your vocabulary and know the meaning of these words. Then the brake and accelerator, ব্রেকটা এবং তরকটা. Accelerator, torque means the system that increases the speed of a vehicle under your feet, তোমার পায়ের নিচেই. Eyes open, চোখগুলো খোলা. Looking ahead, তাকিয়ে সামনের দিকে means সামনের দিকে তাকাতে. Left and right, বামে এবং ডানে. তাই চোখগুলো তোমার খোলা থাকে সামনে, বামে এবং ডাইনে তাকানোর জন্যে. তাই যখন তুমি একটা চালকের আসনে থাকো তোমার গাড়ির, তখন তোমার হাতের ভিতরে থাকে কি কি? স্টিয়ারিং, হর্ন অ্যান্ড সো অন, এবং পায়ের নিচেই থাকে দ্য ব্রেক অ্যান্ড অ্যাসিলারেটর, আর চোখগুলো থাকে খোলা টু অবজার্ভ দ্য কন্ডিশন অফ দি রোডস. দ্য সেম ক্যান বি সেড, একই জিনিস বলা যেতে পারে অ্যাবাউট এ মোটরসাইকেল রাইডার, একজন মোটরসাইকেল চালক সম্পর্কে. উইথ সাম মডিফিকেশনস, কিছু রূপান্তর নিয়ে. এ কার অ্যান্ড এ মোটরসাইকেল ভ্যারিজ ফ্রম ওয়ান টু অ্যানাদার. মোটরসাইকেলে যে ক্ষেত্রে টর্কটা, অ্যাসিলারেটরটা ইজ কেপ্ট বাই দি রাইট হ্যান্ড, while the accelerator in a car is under the feet of the driver. This indicates the modifications. These are all very visible. এইগুলো সবই হলো খুব দৃশ্যমান. বাট behind all, কিন্তু সব কিছুর পিছনে there is something, আছে কিছু, that keeps working, যেটা কাজ করতে থাকে unseen, অদৃশ্য. Here a word you have remarked that. I am trying to write down the sentence and you should follow me. But behind all, there is something that keeps. There is something that keeps, and so on. Here, that is a relative pronoun, and a relative pronoun certainly has an antecedent. 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 The number of person that relative pronoun refers to and always be the same person and number of the antecedent. Then what is antecedent? The noun or a pronoun placed before a relative pronoun is an antecedent, and a relative pronoun always refers to that antecedent and be of same person and number. Here something, an in general subject, a third person singular number. As the antecedent is third person singular number, here that is also a third person singular number. And so, as the subject is third person singular, then the verbs keeps is added with a s. S is placed just after this verb keep, as it is a present indefinite tense. But behind all, কিন্তু সব কিছুর পিছনে there is something, আছে কিছু, that keeps working, যেটা কর্মরত থাকে unseen, অদৃশ্য, and that is the central processing unit, এবং ওটাই হলো কেন্দ্রীয় প্রসেসিং ইউনিট বা সেন্ট্রাল প্রসেসিং ইউনিট, রেফারিং টু সিপিইউ, ইয়োর ব্রেন, তোমার মস্তিষ্ক। সিপিইউ হলো কম্পিউটারের মস্তিষ্ক, আর এখানে ইয়োর ব্রেনকে তুলনা করা হয়েছে, ইয়োর ব্রেন ইজ কম্পেয়ার্ড হিয়ার টু দ্য সিপিইউ অফ এ ব্রেন, অ্যান্ড you all are shown and earnestly requested to go through the text and likewise, and then try to follow to answer the questions that are said just after the passage below. And at number 4 you will get MCQ, and you are already introduced with MCQ system, and in the next class I shall try to say something on the MCQ, then short question answer and so on in the chapter. So far you are thanked and again requested to go through the text well, as I have shown you the process. Then you all are again requested to remain at your home to avoid corona, to remain safe from corona, and you are also requested to avoid or show your mentality against narcotics, drugs and so on. So far you are thanked. Thank you.